Hi dear student, before it you have read about sentence. What is sentence? What is word? What is letter? How many types of sentences? And now in the second step, parts of sentence. Class 9th and 10th, parts of sentence. In parts of sentence, there are two parts of sentence: subject and predicate. Whom you call subject and whom you call predicate. In any sentence, any person's name, any thing's name called subject, and predicate in Hindi vidhe. By any person or things, anything may be done, that part is called predicate or vidhe. As well as, for example, the sun rises in the east. If suppose that you have to pick up subject and predicate, then how you can pick up subject and predicate? Here the sun rises in the east. Sun subject and rises verb. From here the sun is predicate and rises in the east is, the sun is subject and rises in the east is predicate. Come to the other example. Neha is reading a novel. Here Neha is subject and is reading a novel is predicate. Other examples. Laughing is useful for health. Here laughing is subject and is useful for health is predicate. Now there are many types of part in subject and predicate. So first of all, we have to learn about parts of subject. How many types of subject? Whom you call subject? Parts of subject. Parts of subject. Example: girl dances. Here it is subject and it is predicate. We have not learned. We have not to learn about predicate in this time. Here we have to learn about subject. Here it is noun and it called head word. Head word or main word. Subject is called head word in subject part. And after then, here noun may be subject or head word, pronoun may be subject or head word, gerund may be subject or head word, infinitive is also may be subject or head word. For example, here noun is head word and after that pronoun is also a head word. She laughs. Here subject and it is object predicate. Now she is pronoun and it also called head word. And after that, gerund may be also called head word. For example, Smoking is harmful. Here it is subject and it is predicate. Now here is smoking, gerund, and it also called head word. After head word, qualifier. Pick out subject and predicate. Here it is subject part and it is predicate. Here it is subject part and it is predicate. Now we have not to learn about predicate. First of all, we have to learn about subject. Now you know girl head word. Here boy head word, and here this word is called qualifier. Qualifier. Here A is also qualifier. After qualifier, we may find determiner. A beautiful girl smiles. Here it is subject part and it is predicate. Here a beautiful girl smiles. Girl head word. Here beautiful adjective. And here A is determiner. A is determiner. Now after that, bathing in the morning is useful. Here it is subject part and it is predicate part. Here bathing is a head word in gerund. In the morning called modifier object. Modifier object. In other examples, a black crow sitting on a wall flew away. Here it is subject part and it is predicate part. Here a determiner, black qualifier or adjective, crow head word, sitting on a wall is called adjectival phrase. Now after then you may find as a head word it, there. For example, it is raining. Here it is subject and it is predicate. Here it called head word. Now there there is no one in the room. Here it is subject and it is predicate. Here there is also a head word. Now as in infinitive you may find subject or head word as well as here is human quality. Here it is subject and it is predicate. Now here to here is head word in infinitive. Now in gerund walking is useful. Now it is subject and it is predicate. Here walking is a head word in gerund. Now here you found that what is subject and how many part of subject. In subject part, head word, infinitive, gerund, modifier object, qualifier, determiner, adjectival phrase. Here these types of